Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to recover Facebook deleted messages. So what you want to do is you want to open up your Facebook, then you want to go to your settings to the bottom right, then you want to scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Then first option, tap on settings, then click on the first one, the Meta account center. Then you want to tap on your information and permission. Then you want to tap on download your information. Then you want to tap on download or transfer information. And of course, select the Facebook account, click on next. Then you want to tap on specific types of information. Then you want to tap on messages and then click on next. And then download it to the device or transfer it to a destination, but I recommend you go with download to the device, then tap on next. And then you want to tap on create files. And then you can see it's currently in progress. Once it's done, you can come here, the same steps you came at, download it, and potentially we get an email about it as well. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.